What I wanted to do is just talk about how I'm currently playing the market. And I want to give you my strategy for how I play when I'm gambling a little bit in crypto. It's like very, very calculated gambling, if you can call it that. But whenever I see Bitcoin rise by more than 5%, what I actually do is I go to coinmarketcap.com and I go to a list. They have a filter called metaverse tokens, right? I click on that. And what I do is I find the assets in the metaverse that I want to roll the dice on, right? So when Bitcoin goes up by more than 5%, go to coinmarketcap.com. I click on it and I look at the metaverse assets there. And then I'll just put 100, 200, $300 into each one. And I prioritize the ones that I can find on either Coinbase or crypto.com or Binance.us. And I'll just put a few $100 in those, right? And what has been happening, and I've been doing this for a while now, is when Bitcoin goes up by like 5%, there's a delay in the rest of the market, right? There's like a 1 to 2 week delay in the rest of the market that follows Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the tide that rises all ships. So when I see it go up by like 5%, I have an alert that lets me know. Then I'm like, okay, cool. I have a list of all these assets that I'm doing due diligence on, that I'm studying, that I'm searching for, that I'm looking at, that I'm analyzing in preparation for when Bitcoin does make that raise.